Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix the problem with Facebook where the marketplace isn't available to you or is inaccessible in 2024. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and one of the reasons you're unable to access the marketplace on Facebook may have to do with your age, or rather the age that you have set for your account on Facebook. See, the thing is, the marketplace is only available to people who are 16 and above. So if you guys have your date set to, or I should say your birthday set to a date that would make you under 16, you would be unable to access the marketplace. So as you can see, I can access it no problem. And what you guys would need to do to actually fix this is to go to your profile, like so, go to settings and privacy, go to settings again, and the idea here is we're going to change our birthday. And to do so, you'd want to navigate around Facebook, just like this, and you would want to get access to your profile details or your account settings. So it's this one right here. I believe this is where you actually access your birthday. Okay, this is not where you access your birthday. So we're going to navigate through here and basically change our information for Facebook. So to get there, where we need to go is the account center, which is this. So when you guys go to click on profile details, actually let's go back real quick and go to, you just keep scrolling down until you find access your information. So it's this one right here. We click on it, this little window should pop up where you would hit continue. So when I hit continue, this is going to take me to this page where I get to edit my personal information. So to edit my personal information, simply click on the corresponding tab, and from here you get access to your profile info. So this pertains to your birthday, your name, contact information, hobbies, music, and so on. So from here you would want to click on your about, just like that. Actually, it takes us to the same page, and basically go to details about you, which is this one right here, or I believe that was in contacts and info. There's this one right here. Okay, so here's our birthday. So we're going to set this, if you guys have your birth date set to something that makes you under 16, then you would want to click on the pencil icon to edit it, just like so. It should take you to the account center, and here you're able to edit your birthday. So click on edit, set it to a year that would make you of right age, so you get access to the marketplace. And when you do, hit save and you guys should be done. So yeah, that's a video. So hopefully it helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.